What's in my dust bag? Just the newest version of the Underseat Pro Foldable Bag. Yeah, new and improved with a whole bunch of different ways to better hack Spirit and Frontier Airlines, but still give you the same amazing amount of packing space so that you can pack personal item only and not get charged baggage fees. Let's go check it out. Hey guys, it's Lauren from It's the Kellys, and yes, like I said, Underseat Pro has made a newer and better version of their Underseat foldable bag. And as some of you guys know, the Underseat Pro foldable bag is a bag that can hack budget airlines that charge you for carry-ons. We have all been so in love with their original bag, but then some of those airlines start to get a little bit pickier and a little bit crazier and charging you a lot more money. So then a lot of these companies are forced to change their bags a little bit to comply with these airlines. So all of the changes I'm going to show you today have been made because of these airlines. But I'm very excited to show you all of the new features, and a lot of it has been because you guys have said things in the comments or in reviews, or have said what Frontier or Spirit has said to you when bringing that bag, and that's why these changes were made. So I'm very excited to show you all of the changes, but I'm also very excited to announce our latest giveaway with Underseat Pro. We did this with the backpack a few months ago and it was a big hit, and today we are going to do it with the latest version of the Underseat Pro foldable suitcase. All you have to do is just like before, we want you to like this video, be sure that you're subscribed, and we want you to leave a comment underneath. And in your comment, we want you guys to comment a color that you would love this bag to come in, and then that can be a really fun little competition for Underseat Pro's newest color coming out sometime in the near future. So you guys get to decide, and you guys get the opportunity to win the bag I'm about to show you. So all of the information is down below in the description box. All right, so first I'm going to show you the original version of the bag, and I'm going to use the purple one as an example so that when I pull out the new one, we don't really get confused as to which one is which, because they do still look very, very similar. This bag was created as a great underseat bag that not only holds a lot of stuff, but that can work with budget airlines such as Spirit and Frontier. Now, is it going to be a personal item size for all of the other airlines in the world? No, and a lot of you guys comment that. This is within the 18 by 14 by 8 dimensions. This is something that's great to hack those airlines so that you don't have to pay for a carry-on. Okay, packing personal item only for a trip is very, very doable, and if you need help with it, you can watch the video that I put out just a few days ago. I will link it down below, but I did pack in this bag for a week-long vacation. However, it's no surprise that Frontier Airlines has gotten absolutely insane lately, and when you go to put something like this in the bin, they're going crazy saying like, well, the handle is sticking out. And it's like, but the bag fits, who cares? So with things like that, if the handle is sticking out, then it's not technically in the bin all the way. So Underseat Pro was forced to change their bag because of something as silly as a handle sticking out. Thanks a lot, Frontier. But while they were changing the bag because of that, they made a couple of other improvements as well. And I think now it's time to show you the new and improved bag so that you can see all the differences. So like I showed you in the beginning of the video, it does come in this dust bag, and the cool thing is it's cinched on top and has these little drawstring handles so that it's kind of like a little backpack. This is the newer version, and this is it folded up. This is very helpful. Let me put it together real quick and then I'll show you everything. And here we are. So like I said, I already talked about that handle difference, because look at how high this handle sits up. Look at how much this one does not. It still has a handle, you can still grab it, but it is super, super flat to the luggage. Take that, Frontier. The handle, still great. The wheels, still great. The trolley sleeve on the back, in case you want to bring this in addition to more luggage, Still great with this zippered pocket. Still have a couple of pen slots on the side. The dimensions are still 17 by 8 by 14. The weight is still just under 3 pounds, and the bag holds 32 liters. But everything else has a bit of a difference. As you can see, this older version here has a pocket in the front. It can hold a laptop, it can hold anything that you need easy access to. It's wonderful. However, with soft luggage, when you have an outside pocket and it's full, it can tend to get a little bit bigger, therefore making it a little bit harder to actually hack the airlines. So they redid that and actually put the pocket on the inside, and I will show you guys that when we open the bag. There is still a great outside pocket for you to use. The original version had this pocket right here, definitely had this little drawstring area here. Could be for a water bottle, could be for a lot of other stuff. On the newer version, they do still have it, but they made it a little bit bigger and got rid of the mesh. It is now this entire side, and look at how big that is. You can fit a huge water bottle in there, but you can also use it as a convenient outside pocket if you wanted to. Now, there is also a little hidden pocket right here where the pen area is, and it does have a zipper, but it's pretty much hidden. They did keep it on this version here, but actually bigger. And I think that they really did that because they don't have this outer pocket. You can definitely fit phone, passport, portable charger, whatever you think you're going to need easy access to on the plane. Put it in that hidden zipper. Now, you are probably already noticing these straps here that are kind of getting in the way when I'm showing you the bag a little bit. They have decided to put on these little loops here on either side of the bag, which means that you can attach this handle. So yes, this is wheeled, but if you want to pick it up and carry it like a shoulder bag or a crossbody, you can with this brand new strap. That is something a lot of you guys have said, and Underseat Pro listened to you and made a strap. They are nice metal buckles too. They're not plastic or anything. Now, another change that they made, and I think this is honestly probably one of my favorite upgrades, is they changed the feet on the bottom of the bag. It is now kind of this long bar instead of the two little half domes that they had on here before. Because as great as this was, if you had something packed in here that was heavy, like a laptop, it very easily could topple over. But now this is a lot sturdier and it's very hard. Now, I do have to say real quick, if you are using this bag with Frontier, make sure that this does not hang out of the bin, because sometimes they will charge you for that. So when you're going to do the test, take this strap off because they have lost their minds. Put it on your body as a belt if you need to. Okay, so now it's time to open up the bag. You do have the zipper pulls right here, YKK zippers, thank you very much. They did change the pull a little bit, but that's not anything too crazy. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so a lot of the inside is still the same, especially when it comes to space and compression and everything like that. But the pockets on the top here are different, and especially because, like I said, they moved the laptop sleeve inside. So as you can see on the old version here, there was this tiny little zippered pocket up here, and then this zippered mesh pocket that took up the whole inside. However, on this side, they made the mesh pocket just half of it instead. One tall, skinny slip pocket, and you have one wider, shorter slip pocket. And then you have two little slip pockets, probably for pens or something like that. So I'm going to go ahead and call this area more of like your office, if you will. Kind of like the inside pocket of a pro bag. And then this is just a mesh compartment, whether you still want it to be part of your office or whether you want that for other items that you're going to pack. This is where the laptop goes. You have the zipper right here, and inside your laptop goes, and this is nice and padded. I know you guys want access to your laptop from the outside, but like I said, it made it not always comply with the airlines, and it made it a little bit top heavy to topple over. So this design was tested to be just a lot better for you in general. And it's still not that hard to have access to that. If this was completely zipped up and I needed to put my laptop back in, here's my laptop, what I would do is just have this unzipped. I have just the side unzipped right here, and I can go ahead and put my laptop in, zip it up, and zip the bag up. There you have it. And it's not taking up any extra space on the front like it would have in the other bag. My laptop is a 13-inch MacBook Air, but this whole space here, look at that, it's taking up my whole arm, can fit up to a 17.3-inch laptop. The owner of the company and I were talking about it, and we don't think there's another personal item bag out there that can fit a laptop that big. As long as it fits within here, it can fit, which would be a huge laptop compared to this one. All right, so as for the guts of the bag, this hasn't really changed at all. You have one big mesh zippered pocket here, the exact same one right here, and then you have one on this side and one on this side. Now, this bag does have compression straps. Pull them each way to create that compression when it's packed. Again, if you guys want to see me pack this new version of this bag, go ahead and watch the how to pack a personal item video that I did earlier this week, and I linked it down below. But you guys, these compression straps are removable. So if for some reason you don't want them, you can completely take them off and they're not just gonna be hanging out. So let me go ahead and fold it back down to storage size, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do that in case you haven't seen it before, because it is really great to be able to store because it's only a couple inches tall. These sides right here are Velcro, so you're just gonna take that Velcro down. Take that Velcro down. On the back here where the zippers are, they go all the way down, and then you're going to fold these sides. There's a key leash too. Silly me. You're gonna go ahead and fold it down and flop it over, and it's super small. One thing I did not mention, and it's really just still the same, every Underseat Pro bag does come with a nice little plastic TSA liquids bag, which is great, and it has a little handle. It also comes with this nice little envelope that has a couple of luggage tags. All right guys, so what do you think of the new Underseat Pro? Do you like the improvements? I think it's incredible what they've done. They've read all of your comments, they've read all of the reviews. You know, they really researched all the crazy things that Frontier Airlines are doing, and they have made the bag to comply with those airlines even better. I love when companies listen to their consumers. Now, like I said earlier, please like this video, subscribe, and comment down below, and you will be entered to win this bag. Well, not this one, because this one is mine, but you know, the company is going to send you one. And in your comment, please comment with a color that you would love to see this bag come in. They want to make it in more colors, but they want to hear from you guys first. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Good luck with our giveaway, and I will see you next time. Thanks, guys. See you later. Bye.